Struggling to earn enough points for all chests in Legend of Conquest? Of course, we can complete them effortlessly by spending money on recruitment. But what if there are tricks and tips to get them for free? Welcome on board the Meta Instincts channel. We will share tricks and tips for each day's mission in Legend of Conquest, so you don't have to spend money to complete them. We will cover them in 2 episodes, so please stay tuned. Rewards. Completing the mission in Legend of Conquest will earn us awesome rewards. Let's break down what we'll receive. Firstly, if we achieve 420,000 solo points, we'll get 3 chests daily from day 1 to 5. These chests contain Astral Essence, Gold, Wood, Iron, and Emerald. The second reward is the solo points ranking rewards, mainly Astral Essence, Speed Up, and Hero Experience. This reward covers up to 300 rankings, but our gang only has 180 members. Thus, everyone will get this reward. However, the top rankings get better rewards. Next, your solo points will be added to the gang points. If your gang's points surpass the rival gangs by the end of the countdown, your gang will win. Each day has a different winning point. For example, day 2 is 2 points, while day 6 is 4. The gang with the higher winning point will receive a victory reward, while the others will receive a defeat reward. They contain emeralds, astral essences, echo conchs, and golds. The victory reward is double the defeat reward. Thus, working together to win the weekly Legend of Conquest is essential. Meanwhile, the winning points of the gang will be accumulated for the monthly ranking. The fourth reward will be given by the ranking, consisting of emeralds, astral essences, gang seals, and golds. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today. Solo points recruitment. To earn solo points, we can complete daily missions from day 1 to 5, each consisting of a different type of mission. The recruitment missions are available every day. Using the Echo Conch for trinkets or hero draw will earn us 7,500 solo points per recruitment, while using the Hem Conch will give us 20,000 points. As we have a free daily recruitment, we can gain 7,500 points for free every day. Additionally, upgrading the Sea Soul Mirror to receive a 10% discount for the first 10-time recruitment is recommended. High spenders can quickly accumulate points by spending money on recruitment. For regular players, it is advisable to save the conchs and use them as a backup if they fail to reach 420,000 points. Day 1. Completing 420,000 points on day 1 is the easiest. Ensure your flagship is auto-trading throughout the day and will gain you over 420,000 points. A helpful tip is to gain extra solo points through offline auto-trading. For instance, you can begin auto-trading 8 hours before midnight UTC, the reset time, and gain about 2 million profits. Do not log into the game during these 8 hours. Log in after the reset time, and you should get decent points from the offline auto-trade profit. Before day 1 ends, log into the game to collect the profit in solo points. Doing so will help your gang gain more points. Day 2. Day 2 is challenging due to the need for construction speed up. In the daily Pirate Legend event, we should only use 18 hours of construction speed up to earn 3 points and save the rest for the Legend of Conquest. Each minute of speed up will earn us 30 points, while each CP gained will earn us 3 points. A good tip for maximizing solo points is to prioritize constructing buildings with high CP and low construction time. For instance, upgrading the Shipbuilder's Study and Chicken Coop, both of which require 4 days, can earn us 16,000 CP and 11,000 CP, respectively. Comparatively, the Shipbuilder's Study is a better choice as it offers more CP increments, resulting in more solo points. Here's a helpful trick: after construction is completed, do not click it. You can start another construction without any issues. Just don't click it, although it is tempting. Collect the constructions on day 2, and you will earn solo points from the CP increment. We can quickly achieve 420,000 points with these tricks and tips for day 2 without doing recruitment. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. We will cover the day 3 to 6 in the next episode. Please like and share this video with your gang. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.